Okay, hello, you are welcome to today's class on engineering mathematics. Today we want to use the Euclid's division to solve questions. So we have to use Euclid's division to find the highest common factor of these two numbers. Let's take a very simple one before we look at this. So from elementary or primary school, we learned that we want to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Let's say 8 and 20. We'll first find the factors of 8, and the factors of 8 we have 1, 8, we have 2, 4. I think that is it. Then if we want to find the factors of 20, we have 1, 20, we have 2, 10, we have 4, 5. I think that's it. So then we see that then the common factors here are 1, 2, and then 4, right? So these are the common factors. And then the highest one among the common factors is 4. So this becomes the highest common factor. Now this method is very good, but then you can't use this method when you have very huge numbers. Maybe you have to find the highest common factor of 1 million and then maybe 2 billion and something so complicated using this. So the Euclid's division makes it so simple for us to be able to solve this. So let's use the Euclid's division to solve this question right now without going through this method. So using Euclid's division, we take the biggest number first and then write it like this. Okay, the biggest number, write it equal to the smallest one. Now, how many times can 8 divide 20? That is 3 times, right? No, sorry, it's 2 times. So 2 times 8 is 16. So what do we need to add to 16 to get 20? That is 4. Okay, so we are done with this part. Then I will come and take the number that we use here, equal this one, the remainder, 4. So 4 will go into, or will divide 8 how many times? That is 2 times. What's the remainder? 0. As soon as you get a remainder of 0 here, it means that this number that you use to divide the 8 is the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is the 4, which was used to divide the 8. You see, it's very simple and it doesn't take time. So that's exactly how we are going to solve the question we have here. So we have 1,794 and then 2,346. So write the bigger number first, equal the smaller number. So how many times will this divide this? I think it's 1 time. So what's going to be the remainder? So to divide it 1 time plus. So 2, 3, 4, 6 minus 1, 7, 9, 4. That is 5, 5, 2. Then now we'll take this number. That's 1794 equal 552. So how many times will 552 divide 1794? And I think that is 3 times. Plus, so what will be the remainder? So minus this, the remainder of the 138. Then you come and take this number 15. You just continue doing that. Okay, you just continue doing the division until you get a remainder of 0. So 138 will divide 552 how many times? So 552 divided by 138. 552 divided by 138. That is 4. So 138 times 4 gives us 552. But then there's no remainder. The remainder is 0. As long as you get the remainder to be 0, it means that the number here that you use to divide this number is the highest common factor. So the HCF of 1794 and then 2,346 is equal to 138. Okay? I don't know how long it will take if you want to use the elementary way, Yeah, so thank you. This is how we solve questions using the Euclid's division. Thank you very much for your time. You can solve so many other questions using this method. Okay, so all the best to you and stay safe. Bye bye.